What's up, y'all? Okay, so I just recorded a video and it was too long. It was just too long. And I was doing my makeup while I was talking. The makeup part didn't take long. It was just I'm not good at multitasking. So I just wanted to quickly give you guys an update because I just don't feel like editing videos. Please, just bear with me, please, because I don't feel like editing videos. It just takes too long, okay? You guys know if you create video content, whatever, it takes too long, okay? And maybe that's my fault because I just like don't have a good way of organizing the way that I record my videos and store them prior to editing. I can work on that. It's 2022. Happy New Year. I'm gonna sit down now. Okay, thanks. So happy New Year. A couple of things. I have been doing, first of all, my skin is horrible. And that's for a number of reasons, including dehydration. What else is new, right? Okay. So there's that. And then also my hair surprisingly has been thriving. So I've been doing a couple of things that I've been test driving for maybe 6 months now, since September. Is that September, October, November, December? No, it's only been 5 months. Okay. And the main goal was not really like for hair growth purposes, but for effects of consistency, if that makes sense. So there are a lot of things that I have transitioned into doing. First, let me start with my skin. I stopped using, let me say this. I've always really loved mineral makeup. And for some reason, I just never bought mineral makeup after my mineral makeup ran out, like the first time I've ever used it. Anyway, so it's like really hard to find people that make mineral makeup for people with my complexion. Like, I don't understand. What did we do to deserve? We need mineral makeup too. Okay. So I made my own and it was literally a perfect match. Okay. Yeah. I actually, there's a video. I'm standing in the sun and my skin looks like it was kissed by God. Okay. But you know, and it was great. It took a while to find the right like mixture of pigments or whatever to get it right for my skin. It was amazing. But I don't have, you know, the whole process of blending the pigments and mixing and all that stuff is actually very time consuming. And I ain't got time for that anymore. So then I was like, okay, where do I need to go? So anyway, long story short, not that many people are making natural, great, mineral only skin, like cosmetics, makeup for people with my complexion. I'm not gonna make one. I'm not gonna create a brand. There are brands that are on their way up here. We thank God. Please hurry up because I'm tired. So I just decided to go to Bare Minerals because everything else is online and I needed it like yesterday. So I went to Bare Minerals and I have been using exclusively only Bare Mineral products for makeup. I also don't wear a lot of makeup. So for me, it's like great. Like I literally, it will last me for like 3 years because I don't use a lot of foundation. I don't use a lot, like it's very simple. Their lip colors need help. Their mascara is pretty cool. I digress. So yeah, in also doing that, another decision that I made when it came to my hair is that the same way that I can make my own mineral makeup and it would be bomb and nobody would be able to know. Actually, the first time I wore it, everyone was like, your makeup is like a perfect match. Like, where did you get it from? And I said, I made it. And people are like, what? Yeah, no. So in the same way, when it comes to things that work for my skin, for my hair, because I think I'm a creative and I'm like very curious, I'm just kind of like, oh, cool, it worked. Okay, let's see what else can happen. Let's see what else will work. And that doesn't really help. Like, if you're looking for like long-term results, long-term effects of these things, right? If I say that I specialize in herbal hair care, right? Like that's my thing, like minimal hair care, herbal hair care. I need to apply some longevity to some of the things that I'm doing, right, with my hair. So we all know that rice water, fenugreek, like I used to use it when I first started water rinsing. That's all I used. And then I would do like deep conditioners with banana and like all of that stuff. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Someone's roof is being repaired, it looks like. Okay. That was shocking. Anyway, because because it's a new house. Anyway, so in the same vein, basically, I'm deciding to be consistent with the same things that work for me. Now, for about 2 months, 2 to 3 months, it was like 2 months. September, yeah, okay, 2 to 3 months. I did an experiment where on one side, so my typical herbal rinse, which is like 3 things, it's like hibiscus tea, fresh aloe vera, and then I choose either to steep rice water or fenugreek, make a fenugreek tea or get like a rice water. I decided to convert that into a spray. It's winter. I also wanted to figure out if I could like not rinse my hair as often. And let me tell you something. That first week was my scalp was like, ma'am, we dry. What are you doing? Like, but I was like, I must be determined. And it was hard because, I mean, imagine going from like your scalp being wet every single week, every 3 days, to like nothing. Yeah, it was hard, bro. It was hard. But you know, after that first week, I went from 0 to 100. So I went from like not like struggling to like, oh, I could do this for years. Like I could just not rinse my hair for years. It'd be great. Which no, like don't do that, please. Okay. So I think this side I tested out rice, this side I tested out fenugreek. My main goal was like, oh, I wonder if I just like spray this on my hair instead of using it as a rinse, what will be the effects on my hair and like whatever. So I did that. I would spray them. I would do the spray every night. Sorry, let me not lie to you. The goal was to do a spray every night on each section of my hair while it was underneath like a wig or something like that. And I probably did it like 3 nights out of the week to like 2 nights out of the week. And I would alternate. So it was either 1 week on, 1 week off, or it was like 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off. Okay. If I'm being honest with you, I've never completed I've never, like, I think there was like 1 week where I was like, yes, I did it every single day. Awesome. And then I chilled. And then the next week I was supposed to do it again and I just didn't. Okay. Also, like, I think this past time I did it for a straight 2 weeks. So I'm letting my hair rest for 2 weeks. It was really a week. It was a week and a half. Okay. It was a week and a half. Because I'm not going to lie. What we're not going to do in 2022 is lie to ourselves. Okay. It was a week and a half. Okay. So long story short. Okay. When it comes to consistency, I've decided to just combine everything. So I'm going to show you guys. I've recorded so many videos, even like how I got my hair straight for this U-part wig. I've recorded like video. Have I posted them? No, because your girl I just don't have time. It's like I have time. We all have time in the world, right? Like the same amount of time in the world. But at the same time, it's like I have other things to do. I have to plan a wedding this year. I have school. I'm trying to get a raise at my job, and my job is stressful. I'm trying not to let my hair fall out. Like it's a lot. It's a lot. So 2022, I do want to actually grow my hair, like grow. Like I want length now, like not just like, oh, I wonder what herbal things like are really awesome for people who just rinse their hair. Okay, I want to grow my hair out, okay? So this is the U-part wig, okay? Which amazing, by the way, right? Like the blend is like incredible. I'm literally standing in front of my window. This is window light, all right? I ain't got time. I ain't gonna lie to you. Okay, this is window light. This is straight up like if you were to see me outside. In fact, let's go outside. You think I'm playing with you? Let's go outside. Open the door. Ungwanu, this is outside. I'm standing on my balcony. It's actually worse. The lighting is not that great here. If you want, I can go downstairs, but I don't have time. Please, I don't have time. So anyway, it's great. I'll link it below. It's pretty great. I actually straightened my hair. Oh, let me do this. Okay. So imagine we are talking outside. My actual hair is frizzy, but the blend is pretty great. Like the color match and stuff, right? Pretty great. And if I straighten my hair, bro. Okay. I'm here to tell the truth, okay? I'm not here to lie to nobody because ain't nobody got time, okay? I'm here to tell the truth. Anyways, okay, so what I've decided to do is combine everything that I would use in my rinse, combine it in a spray, and use it for a week on and a week off. Actually, I'm not gonna lie to you. That's too complicated. Yeah, no. A week on and a week off. And the reason why is because depending on how I make the spray, that will determine. I don't want to keep it in my spray bottle for more than a week. Why would I introduce bacteria into my scalp? Why would I do that? Wow, my skin looks amazing. And it's because it's mineral makeup. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing. Along with that, I'm also gonna rinse my hair every 2 weeks, which is wild, right? Like I literally was doing it every 3 days. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse my hair every 2 weeks, do a light detangle. It's staying stretched. It's winter, so it's staying stretched underneath this. And even my hair on top, like I'm gonna keep it stretched. So the detangling will be pretty easy. It's just being like doing the whole spraying thing every night for 2 weeks and then not doing it for 2 weeks. Okay. And the other thing that I'm going to do that I tried out last month towards the end, no, it was mid-December. I did an onion like rinse thing. Okay. You guys have been asking me like, oh, have you ever tried onion? Have you ever tried onion? No, but I have been trying onion. And I don't know if it's working or not, but you know, we'll see. I'll give it 6 months of my life and we'll see how it goes. That's all I have to say on that. I mainly like it because it is like literal sulfur, which helps with scalp health and all that stuff. So it's like perfect for people who are doing no poo but want to make sure that their scalp is healthy. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. And so I'll do that once a month. Will I rinse my hair every 2 weeks? Bro, I don't know, bro. Anyway, I'm gonna rinse my hair. And then I'm gonna do an onion rinse. And I followed Green Beauty Channel's recipe. I think I did. Anyway, I have a video on that too. Did I upload it? No. Okay. It's hard out here. Please, just please, bear with me. And then also, like, this is not my full-time job. I'm not gonna hire an editor. I'm not gonna get someone from middle school to come and edit my videos and then they'll be making $1 billion on TikTok. No, I'm not gonna do that. No, I'm sorry. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. 2022, those are my goals. I am now hoping to grow it. I'm not gonna derail. I'm not gonna derail and start trying to do some type of herbal concoctions and stuff anymore. I'm just gonna stick to what has been working. In June, and we'll get there, and I'll upload another video, but in June, I am going to transition to summer herbs and fruits and vegetables and stuff that you can grow in your garden and use to eat, cook, and then put in your hair. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just kind of declaring it. Because if I'm being honest, 2022 is about restoration and it's about like renewing my mind, if I'm being honest. It is very hard to encourage myself to keep doing things, partly because I have ADHD and partly because I'm a creative and I just want to see what else I can do. But one of the things that I am trying to convince myself of is that there is a huge payoff in being consistent with things that actually work. Even though you may think that you have an amazing idea that can also work. Like, it's okay. Like, just wait a little bit longer. Like, don't try it for a month and then skip to something else. So from January to June, I'll be doing the herbal rinse as a spray. And the herbal rinse will consist of hibiscus tea, rice water, aloe vera, and fenugreek. I may or may not add the fenugreek. I don't know. I mean, whatever. I like it. They both work. Doesn't really matter. In June, I'll switch to actual summer products like hibiscus, but specifically also things that I said products, herbs, herbal materials, plant materials, whatever, that grow in subtropical climates. I'm doing that for a reason. It's an experiment, but I'm still going to be consistent with my goal. So also, I just want to share I don't have my hair out, but maybe the next time I do a video, you guys will see the length of my hair. Stretched, it's actually about, right, it does not reach, this is pretty long. So it's Let me sit down. It is about, if this is the U part wig, it is about here, maybe? Here, maybe? Where's my armpit? I think it's like here. The sides of my hair stretch to about here. I layered my hair a lot and I haven't gone anywhere to like even it out. So the sides of my hair are the longest and they do stretch to about here. Here? I think it's here. I don't know. You'll see. Anyway, so I have a goal. I don't want to say I don't think I'll be able to reach it, but it's just kind of crazy. But I was looking down on my stomach while I was taking a shower this morning and I was like, I wonder if I can grow my hair to my belly button. So that's my goal. Now I have an actual length goal. Like, it's not about like, I don't know, inches or I don't know. My goal is to grow it down to my belly button, okay? I'm going to chop my hair off in the spring, though. In March, I do plan on getting a trim. I want y'all to know, I haven't cut my hair intentionally in like a long time. I'm very proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. In March, I'm going to trim my hair. And then we're just going to go from March to December and see how we hang in. Okay, that's it. That's all I have to share. So if you are excited to get on this journey with me for hair growth, and you want to do it minimally with herbal or Ayurvedic ingredients or whatever, hit me up or just wait for the next upload and hopefully it won't take another month. That's the main goal. But yeah, just try this out with me. I'll leave my ingredients or recipe, whatever, down below and just join me. I'm 2 weeks off, so I'm going to start again in February where I will do the whole like spray every night for 2 weeks. So you can start now and then watch me in February. Yeah. Give yourself 2 weeks, do the spray, see what happens. I don't know. After that, I'm just babbling at this point. Okay, I'm going to leave now. Thanks for tuning in. I'm doing fine. There's just a lot going on, and I wish I had a better way of dealing with stressful things, but I'm working on that. And hopefully this year I will have a renewed mind when it comes to dealing with things that are overwhelming. Yeah, that's all I got. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. See you soon. Bye.